Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. My name is Vishali and let's begin with our subject EVS. Today we will be discussing the book exercise of chapter number 9, Places of Worship and our Festivals. So children, let's start with the exercise of this chapter. We will be writing the date. The date for today is 29th of September 29.092020, and you will be mentioning it. Classwork, we are discussing it in the class, right? So let's start. Question number 1 says, tick the right answers. 4 options are provided to you. You have to tick the right answer. A part. Dash is the festival of colors. Which one is the festival of colors? Diwali, Christmas, Holi or Eid? The correct answer is Holi. We will write down Holi in the blank. Next, Dash is the festival of lights. Gurpurab, Holi, Christmas or Diwali? Right, Diwali is the festival of lights because on this day we light diyas and candles. Okay, the next one. Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birthdays of Lord Ram, Sikh Gurus, Lord Krishna or Jesus Christ. To mark the birthdays of Sikh Gurus. We will write down it in the blank also, Sikh Gurus. Now next, people pray and sing carols in church on Holi, Diwali, Guru Purab or Christmas. On Christmas because it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. So children, now let's begin with page number 70, E part. People dash on festivals, wear new clothes, greet each other, make special dishes, do all of the above. They wear new clothes also and they greet each other, they wish each other also and make special dishes also. So the correct answer is all of the above. And we will not be writing anything in the blank. Okay. Now let's come to question number 2. Look at the picture on left. Its name is jumbled up. Write the correct name with the help of these words in the blanks given. So there are pictures given to us and they will denote a festival. These pictures denote a festival and the name of the festival is jumbled up. So this first picture is of a diya. We light diyas on which festival? Which festival is this? This is Diwali written. So we will write down Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. I have written the answer in capital letters because the jumbled letters are also in capital ones. Second is the picture of Sevaiya. On which festival do we make Sevaiya? Which festival is this, children? This festival is Eid ul Fitr. E-I-D. Eid. U-L-F-I-T-R. Eid ul Fitr. Next. See. Langar is being served here in this picture. Which is this festival, children? This is Guru Purab. G-U-R-U-P-U-R-A-B. Guru Purab. What is this, children? This is Gujia. We eat Gujia in which festival? On the day of Holi. So H-O-L-I. Next, Santa Claus. Santa Claus comes on which day? On which festival? Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. So children, now let's begin with question number 3. Question number 3 says, name the festival when these dishes are cooked. First is Sevaiya. When do we cook sevaiyan? On which festival? On the festival of Eid ul Fitr. So we will write down EIDULFITR. Eid ul Fitr. Plum cake. When do we eat plum cake? You can get it from the market also. Which festival? This is the festival of Christmas. Right. Next is the picture of gujia. On which festival do we eat gujia? On the festival of Holi. HOLI, Holi. Now let's start discussing question number 4. Next page on page number 71. Question number 4 says, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. There is a yellow box with the words like Eid Mubarak, God, Mosque, Holi, 25th of December. And 5 fill-ups are given to us. We have to fill in the blanks using the words. A part. All of us pray to the same God. Yes, all of us pray to the same God. God is one. Muslims go to a dash to pray. Where do Muslims go to pray, children? Muslims go to a mosque. Write down MOSQUE. Mosque. Next, C part. Dash is called the festival of colors. Which festival is known as the festival of colors? It is Holi. 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 Next, D part. On Eid ul Fitr, people say dash to each other. On the day of Eid, what do people wish each other? Eid Mubarak. They hug each other, एक दूसरे को गले लगते हैं, and they wish Eid Mubarak. Right. E part. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th of December. So we'll write down 25th December. I hope everyone has done it. So children, now let's discuss question number 5. Question number 5 says, fill in the following spaces. These spaces are given to us. We have to fill what people do and where do people go to pray. First is Gurpurab. What do people do on Gurpurab? They eat langar. So we'll write down eat langar. And what else they do? And they take out processions. झांकियाँ निकाली जाती हैं. Take out processions. Where do people go to pray? They go to Gurudwara. Next. Now, Eid ul Fitr. What do people do on Eid ul Fitr? They cook sevaiyan and wish each other Eid Mubarak and wish EID Eid Mubarak. Okay, and where do they go to pray? They go to a mosque. 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 Next festival is Diwali. What do people do on Diwali? They light diyas and decorate their house. We all decorate our house on Diwali, right? And decorate houses. Okay, and where do we go to pray? We go to temple, मंदिर जाते हैं, right? Okay. Next is Christmas. What do people do on Christmas? They decorate Christmas tree and they bake cakes. Plum cake is baked. You can write this in Christmas carols, your wish. Your answer can be different, but they should be valid. Where do they go to pray? They go to church. So children, we have discussed all the book exercise. This is the end of our chapter. So thank you children for watching my video. Stay tuned with me for more such videos. Till then, goodbye.